In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade in investing.com. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to investing.com and you want to search for something you'd like to trade. So for example, Bitcoin USD is what we're going to go at this video. So click on that whenever you find it up here in the search button. And then down here, you'll see the chart. Now over here, you can click on buy or sell. And whenever you click this, so for example, buy over here, you can see that it's going to open up their best brokers and trusted brokers for your current month. So it's currently August 2025, and it's going to give you all of their trusted partners over here. And of course, all of these brokers will be available in your country. So basically, you can't actually trade physically in investing.com. You'll have to select one of these brokers over here, visit their site, create an account, and then once you do that, of course, you'll be able to trade using that broker on that broker's website. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.